Hello students, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic is short speech on unity in diversity for school students. So it is very easy, let's start the video. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Swati and I am a student of class 7th. Today I want to talk about unity in diversity. India is a country known for its rich diversity. We have different languages, cultures, traditions, and customs. But despite our differences, we are united as one nation. We celebrate each other's festivals, share each other's traditions, and learn from each other's experiences. Unity in diversity is our strength. It makes us stronger, more resilient, and more vibrant. When we come together, respecting and appreciating our differences, we create a beautiful mosaic of cultures and traditions. Let us celebrate our diversity and promote unity. Let us be proud of our differences and come together as one. Jai Hind, thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.